Documents are made up of sheets. Sheets are made up of tables. And each table is made up of cells. Cells are these boxes that you see here inside the table. You can click to select any one you want. There are rows, which go across horizontally, and columns, which are vertical. Rows are numbered. So there's row 1, and you can click on the number here to the left of the row to select the entire row. Row 2, row 3, etc. Columns are lettered. So there's A, B, C, D, etc. So every cell has an address. For instance, this is cell B3. This is cell D9. So you can identify individual cells by their column letter and row number. To enter data into a cell, you click to select the cell and then you simply type. So I can type the number 7 and it will place 7 in that cell. If I hit the Tab key, it will advance to the next cell to the right, and then I can type there as well. And you can advance to the right by hitting Tab and then typing to fill the cell. Now if you hit the Return key, it will go down to the next row and we'll go back to the beginning, here in this case column B, and I can continue to hit cells with Tab, type things in them, and then hit Return to go back to the first column. There are two types of rows and columns, normal ones and header ones. So you could see here clearly the gray row at the top is called a header row, and the gray column to the left here is column A, which is a header column. Typically you put data in normal cells and you put headings here. So you put a title for each column and perhaps an identifying piece of information like a name or an ID number or an order number or something that identifies the row. If you think in terms of databases, a row is like a record and each column is like a field. So the first column may be the name, second may be birthday, phone number, other pieces of information about a record, say a person in a database, and then each row would be an individual person or perhaps a product or order number or event.